Right, so for this video, we are going to talk about how to schedule posts to publish ahead of time or to just see how to post using your desktop on both Facebook and Instagram. So on the left-hand side of your Facebook page, there is a publishing tools option. You'll want to click that. When that opens, it's going to give you a lot of data on your posts. If you click on them, it'll tell you a little bit more about, what the data is for your reactions, how many people you reached, how many people viewed the photos, did some other clicks. So there's a lot of data that you can check out here. You can see videos from the past, videos that you can cross post, branded content, all kinds of stuff here on the left-hand side. If you have a shop, which obviously we don't, but there is options for events and all kinds of other stuff there. So what we're going to focus on today is up at the top, this create post button. So when you click that, it's going to open this option here to create a post. So right here in the media section, I'm going to add a photo. I'm going to pick the Instagram photo that I created for this listing. Now, if I just want to post to Facebook, I can type or add the info here or here. If I would like to cross post, which I do, I'm going to click this box. Now, if I paste the info here, it's going to show when the preview loads that it is going to display the exact same on both Facebook and Instagram. So as you can see, we can toggle back and forth between what it looks like on Facebook and Instagram up here. I apologize for the lagging loading section. If you decide that you don't want the same text, I don't know why it disappeared. If you don't want the same text on both Facebook and Instagram, you can go ahead and type in individually what you want here, and then toggle over to Instagram and type that in here. So since this is a post where we do want the same information, I'm just going to keep that on the right hand or left hand side here. If you type it in and would like to add an emoji, there is this option here to add those in. You can add your location, so let's go ahead and do that. This listing is in Rohnert Park. When you add your location, that's going to broaden your audience. If people are looking for posts in that specific area, or if people just happen to be in that area, or the location is going to broaden your audience in many different ways. So if we were just creating a Facebook post, we could do this call to action and have it pop up a little thing that says get messages. Because we are cross-posting on Instagram and Facebook, we cannot do that. Same thing with the link preview thing. There are no links available on Instagram except for in the bio, so you do not have that option there. You can still add a feeling or activity for that to show up on Facebook. So unfortunately, I don't have a photo here, which is quite frustrating, but oh yeah, you can also toggle up here between mobile and desktop view. Maybe the mobile will show up here. Kind of doubt it. Oh, maybe. Okay, so we're just going to call it good. On the bottom right of this box, there's the drop-down button. This is what we will use to schedule it ahead of time. If you decide, well, I'm just going to post it right now, you can go ahead and hit publish. So if you want to make posts ahead of time and you don't know when you're going to schedule them, you can also save them as a draft and come back to it later. So let's schedule this one for today. Yeah, let's just do 9:30 because that's going to post here. Oops, it says 20 minutes. Okay, so let's do 9:42. Save. And schedule post. That is it for scheduling posts ahead of time. Pretty simple, and it's a great tool for you to be able to time block and get a bunch of posting done ahead of time. I realize that listings and solds and stuff like that, you can't always predict when those are going to come up and post ahead of time. So you can do your filler content, which could be home tips, and mortgage tips and just all kinds of other real estate related content or content from your niche. You can use that publishing tools to get all that